It's time to revise our opinion paper. So last time we talked about this pre-write and we filled it out, and your job was to complete your pre-write, jot down your ideas. Hi, Charlie. He's standing over there. This was my pre-write. Remember, I didn't have to fill out my reasons completely with all their details. That's something I had to do on my rough draft. So I wrote my rough draft. I didn't have lined paper, so I used what I had, and that's our job. We're patient, we're flexible. So here is my rough draft. It's like a sloppy copy, and that's okay. Now I'm going to work on fixing it, and I'm going to revise. In class, when we were revising, we got to use different colored pens, and I actually had some here at my house. You use what you have to make it work. So when we are revising, we used this purple or blue pen in order to mark our changes. Revising, remember, is when we go through and we read kind of at a whisper level to see if things make sense, if we need to move things around. We're not going to worry about capitals, punctuation, or spelling. So really quickly, I'm going to read. I've got my title, Distance Learning by Mrs. Heffa. I'm reading in a whisper. But of course, you can read a little bit louder at your house since we're not in a classroom now. Did you ever have to learn long distance on your computer at home? I have, and I am not a fan. Let me tell you why I don't like distance learning. First, it is really hard to give students feedback. I cannot sit down next to them and discuss things. I don't know if I want to do more details or not. I'm going to make a mark. Here we go. And I'm going to say, maybe details. Maybe I want to add some details. Like, I think I could get one more sentence there. Second, I miss connecting with students. I miss being able to listen to stories, laugh with students, give high fives, and have fun at recess. Third, all of the hands-on fun projects are hard to do. I have to change what we're doing. It works, but it isn't my favorite. For example, my perimeter unit projects can't happen. Now you know why distance learning is not my favorite. I hope you can understand, and this little arrow means that we go on to the other side. I hope you can understand why I don't like it. Now, the only thing that I noticed when I was reading this is that I didn't like this paragraph right here, the order of it. I thought the order was a little weird. I thought my example should go right after the sentence where I talk about how I have to change what we're doing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go here, and I'm going to make a little bracket here. And let's see, I have to change what we are doing, and I'm going to say right here, this little star is going to remind me, hey, that's going to get moved. I'm going to do a little arrow to that star, and that's just going to remind my brain that's where I want to move it when I'm typing. You can move it how you want it. If you want to do a little arrow and that's it, that's fine. This is just to help me out to know. So instead, this paragraph would say, third, all of the hands-on fun projects are hard to do. I have to change what we are doing. Now I get to give that example. For example, my perimeter unit projects can't happen. And then it says, it works, but it isn't my favorite. I like that order much better. That makes sense. So when you're revising, you're just reading through, making sure that things make sense, they sound good, you have enough details, your words are in the right order, you've made sure that your introduction paragraph's at the beginning, you have a conclusion paragraph at the end, and you have 3 separate reasons why you either do or don't like distance learning. Make sure that there are 3 separate reasons. All right, guys, I will post another video about editing to help you with that, and then you'll be on to typing your final. Yay!